Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and I am from SolarOcta. Today I am going to show you what you receive in the package when you order a light from us. This is a SolarOcta Solar Powered LED string light for decoration, and I'll show you what's inside the box and how you can operate the light. Because this is a hassle-free light, I'll make it as simple as possible for even a child to understand. So let's begin. So this is the box which you receive, and each box is marked with the color of the light you ordered. So this is a yellow light, and as soon as you open the box you will find a page which has an instruction manual. It has all the instructions. We recommend you read these before installing the lights, and I'll keep this aside and check it out. It also contains a visiting card in order for you to get in touch with us if any problems arrive, or if you want to know more about the services and the products which we are making. So this is a visiting card, it's in every box. This is the product utility page. It has all the specifications of the lights and all the features. It has an instruction manual, and all the instructions are to be followed in order for the lights to work properly. This is our appreciation letter, because we like to connect with our customers on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on our website shop. So we'll keep this aside and we'll bring the box in a close-up. So this is the light. Before taking them out of the box, you need to check if these are working or not. To check them if working or not, you just have to press the buttons. It comes with two buttons on the back, power on, power off, and this button is for the mode. This is a branding, and this is a waterproof casing. This is a high grade plastic that's used in the automotive bumpers. You can take these light apart as well. This is a rubber gasket and the rubber silicone sealant all around the periphery of the box to make it waterproof. This is a solar cell which helps the light charge. To check if it is working or not, you just have to place the solar cell in dark like this and then press on the button. You see, this is working, and I'll show you the sensitivity of this light. As soon as any photons hit the solar panel, the light stops because it goes in the charging mode. I'll show you how it works. You see how sensitive it is. This is working. This is right now on some mode, and I'll change the mode by triggering the mode button. Lights come with 8 modes for features, and as soon as the panel hits some sunlight, it stops working. So this is the delicate part. So you can see, as soon as I remove my hand, even this part of the cell receives light. Even a centimeter of lights hit the cell, the lights stop working and goes into the charging mode. So we'll take it out. This is a high grade micro LED lights that are specially imported. These are micro LEDs. Each LED light is 0.01 watts. So you can see that is a micro LED. This is a 10-meter light. This is a small box. This is a 10-meter light, and it has 100 LED pods. What else you get in the box? You get some screws and some taps. You get a spike. You get a attachment, and you get this. So what else you get? How are you supposed to use this? Let's find out. So this is a spike on which you can mount the light. It is as simple as operating it. It's like a plug and play. You just have to insert this and slide it over. Just insert this. You can see, I'll do it again. Just insert this and slide it over. As simple as that. you get a 2 axis. This is a axis tracking, and you can also rotate this. So to set the inclination angle, you need to move the spike, and I'll set this angle like this. You just tighten the screw and it's fixed. So to change the angle, you just need to switch this over and tighten the screws, and this works. To lose the screws, you just do it and it's tight. So what you do with this is a 2 axis. You can set the dual axis tracking with this. You can set the orientation according to your location. This allows you to set the tilt angle, and this attachment allows you to set the horizontal angle, that is with the azimuth. That is for the northern, if you are in the northern hemisphere of the globe, you set this panel facing towards south, and the angle, the tilt angle should be like this is 45 degrees. So the tilt angle can be optimized by measuring the latitude of your location. What is the latitude of Delhi NCR? Delhi is 28 degree, and so the tilt angle should be 28 degrees in Delhi, and this allows you to set the orientation 360 degree orientation in this way and 180 degree orientation in this way. So I'll set it to about 30 degree roughly. You don't need to be accurate, I'll just set it roughly. And what these screws are for, that is for mounting. So you just need to drill in the wall. If you are using wall to attach this light, you will have to drill in your wall and set the taps which are included and set the screws, and the light is good to go. And if you want to remove the light and store it, this will be attached to your wall. You just take this out and store it back in the box. You don't need to drill all 3 holes, you can just use 2 holes. So I'll drill. So now that I've drilled my holes, I am going to use only just 1 hole, because 1 hole is enough to hold the light, that is not more than 500 grams. So you'll need this plug. Now just put it in like this, bring this here and align this with the cell and just tighten the screw. I'll just show you how it works. Put up the light. This is my south direction. I'll just put it like this and the light is good to go. I'll just show you how it looks. Or if you don't want to drill in the wall, what you can do is you can just attach it like this, and you can use a spike. So this is a monopod spike. You can put it in your plants or in a pot, or you can make a DIY with a bottle. Take a bottle, PET bottle, put some mud in it and just spike this like you spike it in the ground. So you have to put this. I'll show you how it's done. This is my south direction, towards the camera is my south, and this is west. The sun sets in this direction, the sun rises from this direction. I am in north hemisphere and I'll orient the panel towards south, towards the camera. So you can see what I have done is I'm using a spike attachment in this, and what I'll do is I'll just, it is as simple as that. Now you can use the strings and you can unwrap them and wrap them around objects. This is a 2 meter extra cable. So from the panel to the first LED, 2 meters extra cable, and you can start wrapping this around your fence or the grill or anything you want to decorate with the lighting. So it is as simple as that. This is the panel. You just have to switch on the button. So this is the LED, and we'll check if this is working or not, if it is switched on or not, because it is as simple as placing the spike in the mud and leaving the light. It will automatically get charged in the daylight and automatically come on when the sun goes down and it's completely dark. So right now it's 5/7. You can see on my watch 5/7, and the date is 30th October. How you can check if this is switched on or not? What you have to do is place the light in the sunlight and just place a paper on this and press the button, power on button. So you can see the light is on. Even some light is going through the paper. You can see how sensitive the panel is and how sensitive our circuit is. Some light is still seeping through the paper. Unless and until I cover it with my hand, then it comes on. And you just have to press the button once, select the mode which you want for the lighting, and remove this, and you have checked your light that it is switched on, and it will automatically come on every day. So it is as easy as that. And we have, so don't be scared guys if the light is not working out of the box. Move this wrapping. This wrapping is to protect the panel. You have to remove this right on the panel. So don't be worried if the light is not working immediately out of the box, because we have a obligation to fulfill with the shipping companies that we can't ship batteries with 0.8 volts charge on the battery. Our obligation, it's called hazmat review, where we have to ship products where the batteries are discharged. So don't be scared and don't be worried if the lights don't work out of the box for you. All you have to do to check if it's working or not is by placing a page on top of the cell and pressing the power on button on the back side of this, and you can check if it's working or not. And if it's not working, you have to just charge it for about 6 to 8 hours in the sunlight, and then check with the power on button, it will come on. So it is as easy as that. You can orient the sides as well. So this is not true south, this is true south, and this is west. West as in the panel is facing west right now, and this is panel is facing south. The panel is facing east right now. The panel is facing north. You can use it, and to store it, you just take it out, wash it, because the lights are waterproof. Just wash it and keep it back in the box to be used next year again. As simple as that. So do leave us a review, YouTube, Facebook. That would be all. Thank you. That is how you install the light. This is a hassle-free manner to install a decoration light. Now you don't have to worry about installing the traditional conventional LED lights, the AC sockets. So no more playing with the AC current again. Time to switch to solar sustainable lights. So hope you like the video and hope you'll enjoy your lights. So we hope you order our products then, and thank you for ordering, and thank you for supporting and validating our product. Thank you.